Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet a shell stitch hat for 3 to 6 month baby. I am using a 4mm crochet hook and this yarn for this project. You can use any type of baby soft yarn. Make a slip knot first. Then with the help of crochet hook, you would start making chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then 4. Now make a slip stitch into the first chain. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this ring of chain and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is called our double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the ring and then draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 first, then through other 2 to make a double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 4th into this ring, including first 3 chains. Then make double crochet 5 into this ring. We would make total of 12 double crochet stitches into this ring. 12 double crochet stitches are completed. Now we will make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. To start the 2nd round, make 3 chains again, which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook, go into the same chain 3 and draw a loop. Make a double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through 2 loops. Now into the very next stitch after chain 3, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Then into the 3rd stitch here, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. In this way we would make 2 double crochet stitches in each of these stitches till the end. I have made a slip stitch into the 3rd chain as well. Now we would start our 3rd round by making 3 chains. This is our simple stitch and the 2nd stitch would be our increasing stitch. So in the next double crochet stitch we would make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Then the next stitch would be our simple stitch. We would make 1 double crochet stitch into it and the next stitch would be our increasing stitch again. We would make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Then the next one would be simple stitch again. So repeat this process till the end and complete this round with 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet pattern. For the 4th round, make 3 chains and the next stitch would be 1 double crochet. After these 2 stitches, 3rd stitch would be our increasing stitch in this round. We would make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this 3rd stitch. Then into the very next stitch we would make 1 double crochet. Into the next one we would make 1 double crochet, and after these 2 simple double crochet stitches in the 3rd stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So make 2 double crochets in this 3rd stitch. So make 2 double crochet in every 3rd stitch till the end of this round. So 4th round is also completed. For the 5th one, make 3 chains and then make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch. Then make a double crochet into the next stitch as well. And after these 3 stitches, 4th stitch would be our increasing stitch in this round. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this fourth stitch, then make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, then double crochet into the next one, and then double crochet into the third one. After these three simple stitches, the fourth stitch is again our increasing stitch. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into it. Complete this round as well till the end. Now the base of our hat is ready, which is about 5 inches. From here we would start making a round without any increasing pattern. So make 3 chains and make a double crochet into the very next double crochet stitch. Then into the third stitch we would make a double crochet, then a double crochet into the fourth stitch, then into the fifth one, and in this way we would make just one simple regular double crochet in each of these stitches till the end of this round. So I have completed this simple double crochet stitch round as well, and from here we would start our shell stitch round. Make 3 chains and into this same chain 3 make 1 double crochet, then make 2 chains and then make 1 double crochet into the same chain and then double crochet again into the same chain. This is called our shell stitch of 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Now skip 3 stitches, go into the fourth stitch to make a shell stitch again. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Again skip 3 stitches and into the fourth one make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Repeat this process of making shell stitch in every fourth stitch till the end. Now we would make a slip stitch into the third chain, and to start the second next round with shell stitch we have to work into the chain 2 space here. So make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch as well, and then into the chain 2 space we would make a slip stitch. And now we would start our round by making 3 chains and a double crochet in this chain 2 space, then chain 2 and again 2 double crochet stitches into this chain 2 space to make a shell stitch. Now we would work into the next chain 2 space of shell here, and we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and then 2 double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this chain 2 space of shell. So make shell stitches of 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in every chain 2 space of shell and make required number of rounds. I have made 5 rounds of these shell stitches and our required size is completed. Now pull the yarn and cut it with the help of cutter. Remove the extra yarn strand and weave this yarn end with the help of tapestry needle. Attach this 3-layer flower to hat as well. Tutorial video is also available on my channel. I will put the link in description box. So our hat is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.